Robotics isn't just the future, it's happening right now. And today, we're looking at 10 robotics stocks under $50 that are riding the wave of automation, AI, surgical, and next-gen manufacturing. These are the companies building the machines that will reshape how the world works, and they're still trading at accessible prices. The first stock is called PDYN. PDYN develops embodied AI software and collaborative autonomy solutions for robotics and unmanned systems. Its AI or ML technology enables robots to observe, learn, reason, and act without heavy programming or cloud latency. Its price is around $6, while analysts' price target is $11, a 70% upside potential. The investment thesis lies the following three aspects: 1. Strong 24M backlog, 2. Defense as a major growth engine, and 3. Strong institutional holding and insider buying. The second stock is LFWD. LFWD helps companies adopt robots, train workers to operate them, and integrate automation into factories and logistics operations. It is not building robot arms or drones, instead, it works on the human plus robot side of the automation ecosystem. It trades around $8, while it has a target price range from 10 to 20 with huge upside potential. It has double-digit quarterly and yearly revenue growth. Most recent August 14th earning report is very good, 14% revenue growth and 32% net income growth. It has strong insider buying, and has been included in 2 ETF called DFAC and Core. The third stock is MBLY. Mobileye builds AI perception, sensor fusion, and autonomy software that functions like the robot brain for self-driving cars, ADAS systems, automatic braking, lane keeping, collision avoidance, robot access, humanoid robots. It has 36% upside potential. For a $9 stock, its 2026 revenue forecast is $2 billion. It has strong cash flow. Most notably, Intel Corporation owns 76% of stake in this company. It has strong insider buying recently. It is also included in several EFTs such as CIBZ, CBOE, and IZRL, Israel Innovative Technology ETF. PATH does robotic process automation, robots that perform digital tasks. UiPath uses AI plus automation to mimic human actions. UiPath is expanding into AI agents. This is the next evolution of software robotics. Its current price already exceeds analysts' price target, suggesting it performs exceeding expectations. In first quarter of 2026, its revenue grew 17%, with projected yearly free cash flow of $352 million. PATH is also included in 3 ETFs such as CBOE, FTKI, and INVN, Alger Russell Innovation ETF. ATS builds robotic manufacturing systems. ATS serves industries that rely heavily on robotics. ATS builds connected factory software. Its price target of $35 suggesting a 72% upside potential. FY 2026 it will have a revenue of $3 billion, with a free cash flow of $354 million. PRCT is BioRobotics. It builds a true surgical robot, not software, not sensors, an actual FDA-cleared robotic surgical platform. It has 32% upside potential. In 2026, its revenue forecast is $395 million and growth rate of 28%. Its FDA-approved Aqua Beam robotic system targets BPH, benign prostatic hyperplasia, a condition affecting 14+ million men in the US, and it can expand massively internationally. Hesai is a global leader in LiDAR, producing high-precision laser sensors that allow robots and autonomous systems to see. Its price target suggests a 50% upside. It has a revenue of $433 million in 2025, a 46% growth. It is the first LiDAR company to achieve full-year GAAP profitability. Its investment highlights include market leader in automotive LiDAR, exposure to autonomous driving and robotics, and partnerships with top OEMs and NVIDIA ecosystems, and significant physical AI growth runway. Pegasystems, a company that builds AI-powered automation and software robots for enterprises. It is part of the robotic process automation (RPA) and workflow automation sector, similar to UiPath (PATH). Its price target suggests a 30% upside. Its revenue grew around 10% yearly and positive free cash flow of $491 million in 2025. Notably, its cloud backlog exceeds $2 billion. Pega is a profitable enterprise AI and workflow software leader with strong cash generation, growing cloud adoption, and expanding recurring revenue. OMCL equals Omnicell, a company that builds robotic pharmacy automation systems used in hospitals, health systems, and retail pharmacies. It is one of the largest players in healthcare robotics plus medication automation. Its price target suggests a 55% upside potential. It has a yearly revenue of over $1 billion and growth close to 10%. 2026 quarterly free cash flow is sharply improving, signaling better operational efficiency. Robotics product cycle is a major catalyst. The new Titan XT robotic dispensing system is expected to drive a multi-year upgrade cycle across hospitals. Symbotic is absolutely a robotics stock. In fact, it's one of the purest, highest-profile robotics companies in the entire market because it builds AI-powered warehouse robots used by Walmart, Target, Albertsons, and other major retailers. It has a 55% upside potential. It has around 25% yearly revenue growth and strong free cash flow. Symbotic is the only major publicly traded pure-play warehouse robotics company in the US. Today we're looking at 10 small-cap robotics stocks, all trading lower than $50, that are shaping the future of automation. However, there are other big players which are well over $50. For example, Rockwell Automation drives industrial robotics with factory-wide control systems used in smart manufacturing. ISRG, Intuitive Surgical leads medical robotics with the Da Vinci robot performing millions of minimally invasive surgeries worldwide. AeroVironment builds autonomous drones and unmanned systems used in defense and tactical robotics. Tesla isn't just EVs, its Optimus humanoid robot and full self-driving AI make it a major player in physical robotics. Teradyne owns Universal Robots, the global leader in collaborative robot arms used in factories everywhere. And Zebra Technologies powers warehouse robotics with automation, machine vision, and autonomous mobile robot platforms. These companies aren't just tech. They're the backbone of real-world robotics transforming industry, defense, healthcare, and logistics. This summary serves as information only. If you think robotics is the future, carefully choose and invest independently. Thanks for watching.